Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be learning about using center marks in assemblies. I've got an assembly open. Let's start by creating a drawing document from it. OK. And I'm going to grab a bottom view and drop it on my sheet. Now let's see how to create these center marks automatically. Let's go to Options, Document Properties tab, click on the Detailing branch. Under Auto Insert on View Creation, we've got three options: Center Marks Holes Assembly, Center Marks Fillets Assembly, and Center Marks Slots Assembly. Click OK. Let's expand the view palette. Drop a top view here. OK. Let's actually increase the scale a little bit. Let's say 1:2. And as you see here, the center mark is now automatically created for slots, holes, and fillets. And this concludes our lesson about incorporating center marks into your assemblies.